fog. Or no?
Telling this for 12 years. Well,
today is October 4th, second day of hiking with Benderam. We are hiking from the Route 91 trailhead going south to Wilbur Dam Road. We're getting dropped off here, but Kenwood will drive to the other trailhead, and we're hiking the opposite direction again and switch car keys in the middle. Alright, and tonight we'll be at the Boots Off Hostel and Campground for 2 nights. They have a cabin there. And the hike today will be 16.1 miles. It's about 8:30. We've gone about 1 mile. And it's sprinkling. I am taping this through a Ziploc bag because it's raining, you guys. That's why it's blurry. My phone is currently in the Ziploc bag. We are now at mile 445.8, and we came across this monument for Nick Grindstaff.
Lived alone, suffered alone, and died alone.
Here?
What it says. I don't know if it was here.
Uncle Nick Grindstaff, born December 26, 1851.
72.
Oh. What does that mean? What is this?
Lived alone, suffered alone, died alone.
Oh.
Poor guy.
How dreadful. You think you lived here? It's 10:01. We have walked almost maybe 4.5 miles.
Closer to 5.
Okay. And now we are at Iron Mountain Shelter. I'm hungry, craving some ramen noodle, strangely. And Benderam's eating his spiderweb, morning spiderweb.
Yeah.
We're gonna make second breakfast, and then hopefully this rain will go away soon. It says partly sunny today. I don't know what time though.
We haven't gotten to that part yet.
Nope. It is now 11:12, and the rain has stopped. The fog is going away, and the trail has been easy trail bobo. Finally able to take video again. It's been raining. We have 7.4 miles to go out of our 16.1 miles, and it's been a little bit of bushwhacking. Now we are somewhat wet from all the bushwhacking, and the ground is also wet, slippery. We have run into Kenwood already. He's hiking the opposite direction to switch keys, to hand over car keys. Oh shit! Hopefully Benderam doesn't stop to pee-pee again. Took me by surprise. I was filming. But it's okay. Going pee-pee is natural. The sun is out. There might be a few. Maybe not. Nope. Look how beautiful this is.
Yeah, finally, it's nice.
6.2 miles to Wilbur Dam parking. Oh. I'm happier now that the sun is out and the rain has stopped. Tunnel. Ah, thanks for that. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look, it looks bright on the camera.
It does.
Ben likes these tunnels. There's more?
Yeah, it goes downhill.
Wow. It goes downhill, he says. This is so cool. Oh, it's a switchback. It's so cool. I love it. Still going on. Yeah. Oh, that's a sharp switchback. I miss Virginia. I mean, this still looks like Virginia, but knowing that I have left Virginia. Oh, we're going uphill again. PUDs, pointless ups and downs. And it's rocky. It's coming up here. Don't trip. Wow, this is so cool.
It takes an incredible amount of skill trying to handle the recording and watch my footing at the same time.
I've been doing that for the last 4 months. Look at this.
Yeah, it's nice.
A lot of rocks here with that. Oh, this comes out to an opening. And there's a little cell pipe here.
Oh yeah.
Very little.
This is awesome.
Okay, don't fall. Okay.
Alright. Taking a leap of faith here. Stuck the landing.
Good job. Benderam is such a strong hiker. Not strong, but strong. I don't know what that means. I ran into Up and Kindle again. After so many months, right? 2 months?
Yeah, it's been a couple months. Yeah.
Since Kinsman.
Kinsman?
I think you're right.
Yep.
Yeah, I'm going the other direction. You guys going that way.
That's true, yeah.
Oh, good to see you.
Nice, nice.
They also have a
Yep,
YouTube
we got a
channel.
video here too, so let me get it
Upward.
on.
What is your YouTube channel?
Upward with Kindle.
Upward with Kindle.
There you go.
We're like filming each other.
Good to see you.
Ran into another friend. We saw sheep on
Bah.
the trail. Yeah.
Bah.
Yep. So sheep again, southbound, and that's the fun part about us flipping north is we get to run into all these people.
That's Benderam.
And she's got Benderam with her today, so sheep and ram are out on the trail getting it done. So good to see you guys, and hope you have a good rest of your hike.
Yeah, you too.
Enjoy, guys.
Bye. We get to Venter Shelter. God, the shelters in Tennessee are not very good looking. Maybe there's a view back here. Oh, flat spot. Everything is blocked by trees. Could have been beautiful. The trail goes over here. Okay. Oh yeah.
There's a little marina down there.
Okay, we're almost done.
Yep.
Maybe get a drink. 1.5 more miles to Wilbur Dam Road, where we had the car parked. We ran into Up and Kindle, and they told us Roan Mountain is so beautiful and that we should skip over there while Ben is here so we can enjoy that together. So I'm seriously considering that. I'm gonna sit down tonight and count the mileage and where we should go so he can see Roan Mountain. Unfortunately, rain in the forecast every day until Saturday. Saturday is probably the most decent day. Today is Monday. 1 more mile. This pine forest is so pretty. I'm sure Benderam's legs will be achy tonight. He said he's a bit tired. Oh, rocky. 0.7 more miles. There's a lot of switchback here. Steep decline. Oh, my knees. A lot of switchbacks. There's Benderam. He's doing so good. Like when he planned to come see me 2 months ago, over 2 months ago, he started going to the gym and put on 30-pound backpack and then go on the treadmill with an incline. So he's been training at the gym. I know it's not the same, but it's better than nothing. Better than no preparation at all. He's got good endurance, he's fit, and nothing hurt so far. Yesterday we went 15 miles, 15 and a half. And then today we went over 16 miles. It's 3:23. We are done. There's the road right there. There's our rental car. Whew. That 0.9, the last 0.9 was a really long descent. Never ending. Of course, the last 1 mile is always the longest. We made it, Benderam. This is Wilbur Dam Road. 16 miles from where we started. Oh, road walking. So Benderam, how do you feel about your second day? They were 16 miles.
Yesterday was easy, but my
This
legs
is
are
the
a little sore
microphone.
today. Thank you. I don't think I'll be able to manage without it.
Are you thinking about dinner?
I am now. I
Ah,
haven't been
okay.
thinking about it all
I've been
day
thinking
like you.
about dinner since 8 a.m. right after breakfast. Oh, nice to see a road. Look at that. Nice and wide and flat. Okay, let's go pick up Kenwood at the other trailhead where we started. Oh, kayaking, canoeing. See, if you're just hiking, you don't see any of this.
In the middle of the trees.
Yeah, all the time. Oh, even the clouds.
Straight, right?
It looks like English countryside. Boots off. This way. Turn right.
Not if you have a dog. No dog here.
Boo boo. Boo boo not here.
Hope this is just a one way.
Oh wow. There's like a bear. What is this?
That's where we gotta go to the bathroom right in there.
Oh my god.
Okay, let's see what this is all about. Maybe we should have stopped for that ammo after all.
Yeah. Is this the top 5 hostel, he said?
Alright. Any other questions? Nope. Do we need a key for that? No. If you want to lock. Wow.
I can't see nothing. Wow. Can you see anything? No. Ah!
Feels like you're on a Navy ship in here. Yeah.
Hey, you're in the Navy, so...
Yeah, that's how they did it.
I guess the one that's open is available.
I think there might be people in here.
We got a tiny cabin at Boots Off.
Got a little coffee maker.
Yeah.
It does. It's got air conditioning.
Uh-huh. It's so small. But they have Wi-Fi. That's our cabin, the blue one. These are the 10 sites. Oh, there you are. I was wondering where you are. Thanks for getting the luggage.
This place isn't just for hikers. Everybody into it. Right. There's some chicken.
Yeah, this is a tent site number 21. These are tent sites. You can set up your tent. Yeah, and this is number 21, number 14. Shed. Looks like Indonesia. It looks like some poor person's house in Indonesia.
You can build a fire and cook stuff. And
Yeah. Fort Max.
it's actually pretty cool.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're protected by the